mayroon na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin dalawang joker guys. Hatiin natin sa tatlong files guys. Yung spectator guys, pipili dyan sa tatlong files guys. Tapos yung top card bubuksan natin guys. Sample na pili niya. Ito guys. Ace of clubs guys. Suksukin natin guys. Ngayon guys, hanapin natin yung bra ng spectators guys na Ace of Clubs guys. Mix na to guys, di natin alam kung nasaan yung Ace of Clubs guys. Nagmix siya. Tingnan nyo guys, mix na mix sila oh. Ngayon guys, hanapin natin guys yung Ace of Clubs guys. Ito na yan guys, yung Ace of Clubs. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.